Hello. What's your name?
My name is Sahiba and I am from India.
Okay, that's a very beautiful name.
Oh, thank you.
My name is Jordan.
Okay, your name is so beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Where are you right now? Are you at your house?
yes.
Okay, what is the time in India?
Um, 8, 8:13 p.m.
8:30. Oh, okay. In Thailand, I am in Thailand, and
Oh,
now it is 9:43. So it's about 1 hour in front of you.
okay.
Yes. Have
Yeah,
you have you eaten dinner yet?
no, not
Oh,
yet.
why? It's so late.
Yeah,
Are you hungry?
no.
Oh, okay. So you will not eat dinner?
Yeah,
Okay, you're trying to be on a diet?
yeah.
Okay.
So, how about you? Your
I
dinner?
had some dinner, yes. I had a salad. Healthy.
Oh, okay.
Yes. But I am vegetarian, so I don't eat meat, so I should eat a lot of vegetables, you know?
You don't like it? Meat?
Well, it's not because I don't like it. I think that it's good to think about the animals. Yeah, I want to care for the animals, so that is why.
Okay.
Yeah. So how
Okay.
old are you, Sahiba, if I may ask?
17.
17.
Yeah.
Wow. You look so much older and like mature.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. So you live with your mom and your dad?
Yes.
Okay. And do you have a brother or a sister?
Yes.
How old are they?
Actually, I have two older brothers
Two
and
older brothers?
one older sister.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. And how old are they? Like a lot older than you?
Yes. Yes. My sister is she's I think 21
21.
and yes, and one of brother he is 22.
22. Oh,
And
wow.
other brother 19.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
Wow. So all of you are around the same age, like 17, 19, 21,
22. Yeah.
22. Okay. So you can have a
Yes.
lot of fun together, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's so nice.
How about you? Your siblings?
I have one sister.
Oh, one sister only.
Yeah, only one. So boring.
Okay.
Yeah, and she is younger than me. 9, 20. She is 20.
Oh, so how old are you?
I am 23 now, but this year I will be 24.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
But don't worry, I am a teacher and I have experience with teaching.
Yeah.
Okay,
You are
so I
student?
want to, excuse me?
You are student?
No, I'm not. I'm working.
Okay. You are
Yes,
teacher?
I'm working as a teacher in Thailand.
Oh, wow. You are
Yeah.
teacher.
Yes. Actually, I want to come to India too, because a lot of people, foreign people, can come to India to teach English in India.
Oh, wow.
So maybe in
That's
the
nice.
future, because I
Mm-hmm.
want to travel to different countries. Yeah,
Okay.
so I would like to come to India.
Okay. In which part you want to come in India?
I actually have no idea. What do you think? Where should I visit?
Jammu and Kashmir and
Okay,
Delhi, Mumbai,
okay, okay. But it's
Rajasthan.
very busy, right? It's very
Yeah.
crowded, a lot of people.
Yes.
Okay, okay. See, I don't think I want to go somewhere where everybody goes. You know, I want to see the secret places. So what do you think? Can you recommend another place for me that is not too busy
I
but
don't
still
know so
beautiful?
much about other cities. Other
Okay.
Yeah,
So have you not traveled a lot in India?
yeah. I have traveled.
Okay.
Rajasthan and Delhi.
Okay.
Yeah.
And have you ever been out of India before?
No.
Okay. And do you want
Never.
to? Do you want to
Yes,
travel?
yes, yes. Of course.
Where do you want to go?
America and
Okay. Is that the one?
England.
Okay, nice. And do you know Africa? I'm sure you know, right?
South Africa.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I know. I heard about South Africa.
Okay. And have you ever seen pictures of South Africa?
No.
Okay. Yeah, so I am from South Africa and it is very, very beautiful. We have a
Right
lot
now,
of
you are staying in South Africa?
well, I left my country like 4 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
First I went to China to teach in China
Oh,
for one
wow.
year, and then I went back home to visit my father
Mm-hmm.
for just 6 months, and then I moved
Mm-hmm.
to Thailand, and I have lived in Thailand for 2 years now.
Okay.
Yeah, so yeah, in my country, it's not very easy um, for me to get a job because of my skin color. In
Yeah.
South Africa, we have a lot of different color people,
Yeah.
and yeah, and right now, white color skin people, it's very hard for us to find a job.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
and it's not very safe for a woman.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's better, and I want to travel. I want to see different countries, so I'm happy to
Okay.
leave my country.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah, and actually, my sister and my mother are in Thailand with me.
Okay. Do you
Yeah,
live with your family? Yeah.
we don't live together. We live in our own home, but not
Mm-hmm.
far. We live in the same city, so I can see them every day. It's just 20 minutes to see them.
Okay. Oh, wow.
Yeah. So I
Nice.
want to ask you, Sahiba, how often do you want to practice your English?
Sorry?
How many times do you want to practice your English?
Actually, I joined the Cambly 1 month ago.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
And do you have like a reservation class, like every day, every week?
sorry?
How do I ask? Okay, I'm going to use the translator.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. Okay, no, it's okay. I think you can understand. Your English is good. So, um, so do you learn English every week?
Yes.
Okay, how many times? Like 2 times per week, or 1 time, three
No.
times?
Uh, I don't know about.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it's not so serious.
Sorry?
It's not so serious, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. And do you want one teacher or you want to try different teachers?
Different.
Okay, yeah, I think
Yeah.
that's a very good idea because
Yes.
every teacher has different advantages, good
Yes.
things and
Yes.
bad things. And
Yeah.
of course, we have different accents.
Yes.
So it's very good to speak to someone with a different accent and
Yeah.
listen to someone with a different accent.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, good. So it
Yeah.
was really good to have a class with you. I hope maybe you enjoyed it and maybe you will come back to have a class with me again.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, but good luck to you. I hope that
Okay.
your English can improve and you can find people that are easy to talk to.
Yeah. Okay. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice
See
to
you
meet
again.
you. I wish you well. Take care, okay?
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.